Wakati tulikuwa mbeleni, wakati huyu kijana hajapata kazi, tulikuwa kama watu wajiwezi. Lakini kwa sasa tumeona mkono ya Mungu. Hakuna shida yoyote sasa tunaona hapa, na sisi tena tumerudia kanisa familia mzima. Tunashukuru sasa Mungu kwa sababu ametusaidia kwa njia mingi sasa.
I'm here at Meripari grounds where the church is and the greenhouse, and this is such a blessing to see yet again what the Lord is doing. We have been able to be blessed with the second greenhouse. Besides that, we have the new generator pump, which is pumping the water from the lake all the way up to the big tank there, because before then we used just to carry the water with buckets. We have done the second greenhouse here. And this is the new greenhouse. As you can see, we just planted 1 week old seedlings. The 6th week will be around Christmas, and this will be so effective for the community here during Christmas. We are here at Meripari, Kokwa Island, and we are here to see the new project that we just started this week of the goat farm. These goats we bought at $40. One goat is able to sell at 60 to 70, and even during Christmas season they can be able to go up to $100 one goat.